In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your Lloyds Bank credit card bill. Let's start with the quickest and most convenient option. Open the Lloyds Bank app on your phone or log in to online banking on a secure browser. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection and if you're using the app that it's up to date. Once you're in, head to your list of accounts and select your credit card. On the credit card screen, look for the pay option and tap it. This takes you to the payment page where you can choose how you want to make your payment and enter the amount. You'll be given a choice to pay using a debit card or directly from a bank account. Paying by debit card is straightforward and can often be reflected quickly. If you choose to pay from a bank account, you may be using a faster payment that also arrives promptly, but it's always smart to allow a little extra time, especially near your due date. Now type in the amount you want to pay. You can cover the full statement balance, a fixed amount, or at least the minimum payment if that's what you need this month. Double check the figure so you don't overpay or accidentally pay too little. Before you confirm, review the details on screen one more time. Look for the account you're paying from, your credit card account, and the amount. When everything looks right, confirm the payment. Wait for the on-screen confirmation and consider saving a screenshot or the reference for your records. If you prefer not to think about it every month, you can set up a direct debit so payments are made automatically. This can usually be set for the minimum amount, a fixed amount, or the full balance each month. It's a great way to stay on track, but remember it may take a short while to set up, so keep making payments as normal until you see the direct debit is active on your account. There are also other ways to pay if digital banking isn't convenient for you. You can pay by phone using the bank's automated service or by speaking to a representative. You can also pay at a branch or at a post office. If you choose one of these methods, bring the card or details you need and allow a little extra time for the payment to reach your account. Most importantly, make sure your payment arrives before the due date to avoid fees and extra interest. Consider setting a reminder, turning on app notifications, or using a direct debit so you never miss a payment. That's all you need to confidently pay your Lloyds Bank credit card.